Hello, this is a very quick video just to run you through the process for those involved in the QAing of shared teacher schemes of work and lesson plans. So we're going to start off here at your email login. Now it needs to be your nacro.ac.uk account. And once we're in there, you may see the home page. If it opens up on your email, that's absolutely fine. Just go to the little dots in the top right, top left, my top left, and select Office 365. And then we're back to this home page. From there, you just want to go on your SharePoint. Now, I've got frequent use sites, so it may not look exactly like this, but you will be able to see one way or another how to navigate to there. So we're going to Nacro Teach. And we want the home page. And we want NLearn Planning Resources. So follow that link, and now we have all your course folders. So when it comes to the main sort of exercise, we've got resources in. Hopefully, all or most of these will have stuff in. If you want to play around with it in advance of that, I've put some stuff in health and social care. So just navigate to that, to level 2, and it's schemes of work. And you should find these are editable. So make any tweaks. And save the version that you'd like to go ahead with. And that's it, simple as that.